again, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about the delivering digital goods. It's completely different than the real goods, the touchable goods. So in digital goods, they can be copied without any damage of the original copy. Thus, the master copy must be protected against unauthorized usage. As an example, let us consider the electronic distribution of software according to the model of SIIA, Software and Information Industry Association. So the process then runs as follows. The software supplier provides a software product with a specific Parker software. The product is registered at a clearing organization. A unique product identification number due to a global numbering standard is generated, and the software is transferred to a BOB, box of bits in coded form. The BOB is a specific digital warehouse. The online customer selects the requested software, downloads it from the BOB via the online shop of merchants, pays for the software, and gets a digital key and a license from the cleaning organization. The cleaning organization registers the software products, administers key, and its distribution is a gateway for the money transfer from customer to the bank too. The online merchant has the contract with the software supplier and can order products from the BOB and offers consulting and services to his customer. Now we're going to discuss about the payment challenge in B2C business and CRM. So CRM is a customer relationship management and aims at tracking and analysis of interaction of the firm with the customers to optimize sales volume, customer effectiveness, customer satisfaction, and customer loyalty. It integrates all customer-oriented processes and considers the customer as a strategic asset. A regular customer is the most profitable customer. So processes owner on the CRM process is the supplier. So in the CRM, there is no focus on a single transaction, but on customer activities in general. Typical CRM processes are process customer requests, inform customers, solve problems, conduct repair and service, and manage complaints. Different type of complaints like complaint cause, decision, channels, messages, and also it works as well for run customer loyalty improvement programs. About the business to customer software system, we have two different between the online shop. An online shop is characterized by one supplier and one specific number of customers, and the processes and the software are under the control of the supplier. So subsystem or components of an online shop are the sync on function, the presentation of goods and services, ordering function, payment function, delivery function, the search engine, and etc. Also, it comes as well with editing functionality, banner management, call center integration, tax system, development system, payment gateway. There are organizations which certify online shops and hardware quality sales. Examples of such organizations are the AIE, Eurohandel Institute, provide quality on the online shops. Trusted Shops, there are business in the European e-commerce and Mail Trade Association, and TÜV Standard, this is a German technical service corporation. So about the procurement platform, is computerized system designed to manage the procurement process. Procurement platforms are often included in an enterprise resources planning on accounting software products. Typical procurement platforms include purchase requirements, purchase order, go receipts, and invoice processing. In addition to these core requirements, most systems include an array of reporting tools. Billing approval process, controls, and funds management tools are usually standard in the larger products. A procurement platform is characterized by a specific number of suppliers and just one customer. Process and software are under control of the customer. The objectives of a procurement system are reduction of prices through centralization, minimization of procurement costs, minimization of warehousing cost, and some function of a procurement platform are e-tendering, vendor management, catalog management, order status, ship notice, e-payment, contract management, and of course purchase the order integration and the order status. So about the customer relationship management is the CRM. It's an approach to manage a company's interaction with current and future customers. So its approach tries to analyze data about customers' history with a company in order to improve business relationship with customers, specifically focusing on retaining customers in order to drive sales growth. One important aspect of the CRM approach is that CRM system compiles information from a range of different channels, including a company website, the telephone, the email, live chat, marketing materials, social media, and more. Through the CRM approach, the system used to facilitate CRM. Business learn more about their target audiences and how to best cater to their needs. These systems usually provide the following functionality. The external interface, there are the web channel, the interaction channel, and the partner channel management. The marketing functionality are the marketing resource management, segmentation and list management, campaign management, real-time offer management, and lead management. About the sales, it offers sales planning and forecasting, sales performance management, territory management, time, travel, pricing, and contact. In the service area, it provides service order management, in-house repair, warranty management, resource planning, and more. So the internal interfaces as well, they have the trade promotion management and the business communication management. So now we are going to discuss about business to business and how does this process works. So this is standard for business to business. In general, this business interaction between different organizations is considered. Business to business e-commerce is simply defined as e-commerce between companies. So the business process across the boundaries of the participating organization also includes business interactions between sub-organizations of big organizations. So then big enterprises are often organized as a group of different autonomous legal entities, and there is no clear limits between the inner wall and the outer wall. Somehow, business to business is a synonymous for integration and coping of business processes. So what does it mean for the responsible management? Business processes cross boundaries of organizations. Thus, the process ownership must be clearly defined and assigned. It also should be clear who are the owners of different sub-processes and how they have to coordinate their work. The overall process owner may be a process committee consisting of sub-processes owners. If there's a process committee, then decision rules must be defined and agreed by all involved organizations. This must also be integration and consistency of the underlying business rules, and this business rule must be consistent between the participating organization, and they must be agreed on in all participating organizations. Often there is one participating organization which dominates all other participants. For example, in business-to-business commerce isn't established within a group of firms. The business rules cover the decision rules for process management, rules for exception handling, a comprehensive data model including input requirements and output descriptions, rules for the operation of interfaces, policies for the usage of information system, areas of responsibilities and accountabilities, and reporting lanes. So key success factors to the seamless business integration at organization and human beings. The following question must be answered clearly. Who is responsible and who is accountable? Where are the boundaries of management areas? What about the principal-agent relationship? Who is the principal and also who are the agents? Do agents do what is best for the principal? And also, do agents share the information with the principal? How can the principal ensure that the agents operate as he expects them to do? So all the answer this question must be discussed in our next video. So hope you have enjoyed this content and see you in the next.